In the head.
Hit him in the head,
My
Lord.
little cat.
Thank you for your service.
May God bless you.
May God
Sergeant
bless
Major,
you.
is that you? Finest. Damn.
Georgia customer service.
Angels do it. How come black people folks don't look out for each other?
I don't know why black people don't look out
They
for
always
each
be trying to kill them.
other. I know.
And I serve my country for this.
Well, I'm right
Damn,
here.
you do. I'm gonna have me a good love. Shame on my black ass.
Oh my. Hey YouTube, this is Billion Brown, second to none, and the Lord Essex. I wanted to show you a deal at Marc'S. They have
Safety.
Amish value chicken split breast.
Well in the military. Sergeant Major, is that you? Hey, sir.
And we have 2 breasts, yes, for $2.50.
Oh, girl, you blessed by God.
I am blessed.
No kidding.
By God.
Charlotte. And got a good son.
I have a great son.
What a great.
Yes.
See, God said you'd come along the way.
Amen.
Hey, Mom, I'm Hammer.
Amen.
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 Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
They have split breasts
Hey, Hey, Mom.
at Marc'S. And they are $1.49 a pound, which is a great deal. I'm going to pick up a couple of these. Right now, we're just out for a little bit, spending time with each other and looking for some items to put in our refrigerator. So, check out Marc'S split chicken breasts. Amish Valley, no antibiotics, and they are at a good price. And this is at Marc'S. The chicken legs, drumsticks are $5.99, and it is 5 pounds. And that's a pretty good deal, guys. Oh, so we are just getting ready to go home now. So we'll catch you guys back soon in a moment. Thank you guys. Bye. Check out my Marc'S page under Billion Brown. And also subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.